camera? Not the camera. Hey guys! So, my name is Mackenzie. So what today I'm gonna be showing you is silly sludge. Wait, what does that say, Mama? SILLY. Silly sludge. Silly sludge is a type of slime that feels like Jello, but they make it out of a certain thing, and all it is just a certain type of glue. They don't even put glue. They put chemicals and vaccines in it. Let's get started, and I'll show you what I'll be doing today. It's a little secret. So, just to let you know, it's a little black, and it is stretchy, really stretchy. See, look. That's my slime. And look at